Nevertheless, we still say thank you very much to MTV for that period when they actually were showing music videos. And most of them were hard rock videos with good looking guys. Yeah. I was one of them. God bless you, Melbourne, Australia. Fucking thank you so very much for this beautiful time here. Thank you very much. And before we get into this last song, we also wanna raise our glass, even though it's just fictitious right now. I don't have a glass in my hand, and saying thank you very much to Danny Bassi from Silverback Touring for bringing us here to Australia and making sure you guys have a band, you know. And I know he has a lot of fading rock bands coming here, but here they still mean something. I know he's got Winger coming. Fuck, you cheer louder than our songs for that. And my friends from Taikero, I think, is also coming. Does anybody know them here? I guess so! God bless you!